on, everybody? Check it out. We got a special treat today. I'm JP of the Corvetteboyz.
What's going on, Big West Corvetteboyz, y'all? Y'all know what it is.
We are on 95 right now, headed down to Baltimore Harley Davidson to check out these new 2021 bikes. We heard they got some hot stuff down there, so it's going to be nice, y'all, to see what's going on and what Harley has in store for us. Big West, ride shotgun with me, man. Rolling this baby. We're almost there. We only got like about another 20 miles, you know?
Yep.
So it's going to be something special. Y'all stay tuned, all right? We're going to check out all the new 2021 bikes that they have in stock.
Yep.
You see what's popping here, y'all. Stay tuned. Corvetteboyz for life, y'all.
Stop that.
A couple weeks from now, come on down and see us at Harley Davidson in Baltimore, right off of 95, just a few hours away from any state in the Mid-Atlantic. We have some great deals for everybody listening to the channel. So again, come out and see us. My name is Mark, M-U-R-K, and we'll hook you up. Just refer to the Corvetteboyz, okay?
Oh, yeah.
We'll see you soon.
You got it. Appreciate it, Mark. We're down here. We're going to get ready to make a move and head back up the road to Jersey. It's a beautiful day here in Baltimore, and they got some beautiful bikes here at Baltimore Harley. Unbelievable, y'all. Unbelievable. So y'all stay tuned. We got a lot of good stuff coming for you. Corvetteboyz out. JP the Mass. I just bought me a set of Khrome Werks slip-ons for my bike. These Khrome Werks mufflers are gonna really pop, y'all. So we're gonna do a whole video. Right now I'm running Cobra Neighbor Haters on the bike with the Bassani head pipe. Now these Khrome Werks 4.5s are going on my bike. When I get back to Jersey, me and Big West are down here at Baltimore Harley. They got some beautiful bikes in here. It's a beautiful day in Baltimore. Look, it's going down, y'all. Gonna be lovely. We're here live at Baltimore Harley. Big West, JP, checking out some Harleys, and just bought these Khrome Werks pipes. They are bad to the bone. They're chrome and have the black end caps. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna have a dope video coming up. A sound comparison. Cobra Neighbor Haters versus Chrome Werks HP Plus. You got it. Let's go. It's out.
This y'all, JP, gonna go outside, put these pipes on the bike. It's gonna be crazy. I heard the sound is devastating. We ran into another brother there yesterday at Harley of Baltimore, and he told me he had a set of these pipes on his Road Glide Limited, and he said they sound devastating, devastating. So we're gonna get it on and get these pipes on my bike and make this thing pop and give you some sound clips of the Cobra Neighbor Haters with the Bassani pipe and the new Chrome Werks with the Bassani pipe. Stay tuned, y'all. You don't want to miss it. Woo! All right, y'all. We're going to do a quick startup with the Cobra Neighbor Haters on the bike so you can hear what that sounds like. Y'all, so that's the Cobra Neighbor Haters with the Bassani head pipe that I have on right now, and I'm also running the Power Vision tuner with a map from Fuel Moto, and got the Fuel Moto AC/DC air cleaner, and she's running good now, y'all. So let's see what's going on, with these Chrome Werks pipes. I'm super excited. Stay tuned. I'm gonna slap them on. Just gonna take off these two bolts right here. Boom, boom. Gonna remove this here. That bolt right there to the front muffler clamp, and we're gonna slide these babies off, get everything all set up, and line everything back up so it's even. You get your little tape measure between here and here so everything's even, so one pipe is not hanging out farther than the other one. You want everything straight across. Stay tuned, y'all. As you can see, y'all, the difference between the Chrome Werks and the Cobra Neighbor Hater here, you see that Chrome Werks looks crazy. I mean, it's just wow. I mean, the way the back end of the bike is set up, the way the back end of the pipe is set up, it actually looks bigger than the Neighbor Hater, because the Neighbor Hater has the little trumpet that comes out from the inside. If you can see here, get a good look. See the little trumpet in there? And then you have this here. It just looks like wide open at the back, so it looks really really beefy, so still excited to hear what these are going to sound like and the way they're going to perform. So y'all stay tuned. I'll pop the other one on. And just a quick side note, if you're having a little trouble getting it on here at the front of the pipe as you're putting these on, putting your mufflers on, you could put a little touch of WD-40 right around the front end, and they'll go up on there much easier. Or you can just open up the little space that's on the front of the pipe. But I just put me a little shot of WD-40 on the front of it, and she slid on nice, but still nice and tight, and that'll all burn off once you start the bike. And remember, wipe these pipes down. You don't want to have any grease or fingerprints on these before you fire the bike up, because they will burn into the finish. Wipe it down with some Windex and a nice clean rag or microfiber rag. Wipe it all down nice, the whole thing. Wipe everything down where you had your hands at. Get all that stuff off of there. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so now I'm on the left side of the bike, and this is actually the pipe with the smaller inlet at the front here. So what you want to do is take your half inch socket, loosen these two up, take them all the way out. And then what you want to do, after these are both out here, you just wiggle it around, slide it right on out. And actually, it's coming back now. It's moving back from me. So I'm going to take these on out right here. Take these back out. I already got them loose. You got your lock washers there. Let's put those to the side. and reuse those again for different exhaust applications. You know, they give you new ones like this, so you can utilize the new ones. You know. Okay, and you can see that this one here is coming off. You can see the exhaust clamp moving around and dropping off. So I'm gonna take this on off. I'm gonna stop the camera now so I don't drop these Cobra Neighbor Haters, because I'm gonna probably put these on and sell these pipes, and they're perfect. They're in good condition. So anybody that may want them, I mean, they sound great, just reach out to me. Okay, y'all got the Cobra Neighbor Hater off. So what you want to do is when you remove your AccuSeal clamps, you want to put them right back in the same position that they were, you know, on your new pipes, your new mufflers. Put them right back in the same position, right there on the edge of it like that. See that? All right, just like that. Sitting right on the edge of it like that. And you can go ahead and begin to put this one back onto there. Wiggle it back on, up and down, side to side. This side usually goes on fairly easy. So we'll get everything adjusted up, and I'll come back with some more video, because I'm going to need 2 hands to do this, okay? Both pipes are on, and now what I just did, just got some little Windex here, and I'm going to wipe them down with that, you know? Get all of the fingerprints and any grease that may have transferred onto them when I were putting them on, any type of oils or anything. So you don't want that on there before you fire this bike up, you know. Yeah, get it off of there nice and good. I mean, look at that. I mean, that is beautiful. I mean, when you look at these things are really, really nice. Wow. I mean, they look so much different from any other exhaust I've seen, you know. Like I said, the Neighbor Haters were a beautiful pipe. They served me well, you know. But hopefully these are going to serve me a little bit better. Y'all, here comes the moment of truth. We're going to fire the bike up and see what these Khrome Werks sound like, y'all. Corvetteboyz, y'all. We're gonna shout it out big time to my man Mark, Harley Davidson out there in Baltimore, and my man Bernie. We hope to see y'all guys soon. We're gonna come back down. We're gonna come back down and check out some of those 2021s and see if we can get something going. But I'm gonna tell you, these Khrome Werks are, man, they sound ugly, man. God darn. Stop that. They sound ugly, y'all. Believe that. Let me tell you something. The pipes definitely give the bike the authority that it needs, you know? Man. Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Don't forget to smash that notification bell and hit that subscribe button. It's real out here. Corvetteboyz gonna keep pushing some good videos to you. Next up, the cam is going in the bike, so we'll pop the exhaust right back off. You know, header pipe and everything, and we're gonna pop the cam in the bike step by step to show y'all how to do it right at your own house or your garage. All right, stay tuned, y'all. Once again, Corvetteboyz for life. And don't forget, we have our merch down in the description. Watch for the link down in the description. Our merch is available.
UTC, representing to the fullest.